is going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Louisiana Outdoorsman. As you can tell, it is dark outside, and it's not nighttime. It is really early in the morning. It's about 4:30 in the morning. I am on my way to my buddy's house. It is Saturday, which is the all-day fishing tournament that we're gonna do. But like I said, the fishing tournament's been going from Thursday to Sunday, but we really only got a chance to fish Thursday and today. It's been raining every other day since, so we haven't really had a chance to get out there. But like I said, sun up to sundown, we'll be fishing all day non-stop. It is going to be a long, hard-working day for these fish. So hopefully we can get on something today. We're gonna be, like I said, we're gonna be targeting redfish, black drum, croaker, and big garfish if we can get on them. Probably gonna do a lot of trolling today, but hopefully we can get to a few spots where we can cast out a line, try to catch a big garfish. We still got the big catfish sitting on ice that we caught the other night, so hopefully we can weigh that in either today or tomorrow, and maybe it'll place, maybe not, who knows. Maybe we can catch something today that'll place, who knows. But I am about to drive up at my buddy's house. I'm gonna load everything in his boat, and we are gonna get on the road because it is about a 25 to 30 minute drive to where we need to launch the boat, and we need to launch the boat in about an hour. So we need to get our stuff together and get on the road. So I will catch you guys as always back on the water. Stay tuned.
Red. That's a pretty red, boy.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's a 24. Got the net up there.
That's a keeper. That's a keeper. I'll slide him right into you.
Yes, sir.
Get him in the boat, coach. Get him in the boat, coach. Oh, what happened to him?
Don't worry about it. Flip him over. Looks a lot better on that side. That's a 21.
Something tried to eat him for sure.
All right. He's still fishing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
I'm saying it's about 19.
I don't know.
I say about 19 or 20. Something tried to eat him alive. We got a big scar.
Throw him in his boat.
He put him in the chest.
Right red.
That's a flounder. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Dude, but nobody else might not catch no flounder. That's something that rarely gets caught.
Coming the wrong way.
I thought your I think I hung. That's why I didn't turn the thing on. You should be able to get him out right now.
Okay. It's gotta be 12 inches, huh?
Oh yeah.
Close.
It's gonna be very close.
It might not have to be 12 inches.
What are you gonna see? Oh, easy. 13.
Yeah.
Because that's on 0 right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's 13. He weighs about a half a pound, but
Yeah.
if nobody weighs a flounder, then we in business. Nice little flounder. Dude, we haven't caught those in a while. And on a popping cork at that. That's crazy. Turn that on. But umpteenth mullet skimmed the water when it landed. Casting that, boy, you gonna scare it. There he is.
And there we go.
He just, nope, he's on.
All right, I got you. I'm just getting this out of here.
Hold on, he's trying to go under the, that's a good one. He's going under the boat. Trying. That's a good one.
Oh, sad. Where you?
Nah, I'm way out there. 7-footer.
Yeah.
7-footer.
Bro, if that's 7 foot, we going home.
Oh, absolutely. If it's 6 foot, we're going home.
With him. Hey, if he pops the line right here at this, we're jumping in. Let's see. It's still fucking with. I'll get out of your way whenever you're ready, sir.
Come on, please stay on. Please stay on. Please. I see him way out there.
I see him out there, sir. Yeah, you got to do something.
He's big. Yeah, he's big.
This one here is on.
He's big.
Hey, Dad, go ahead, take it. I'll get my in. If you stay hooked up for more than a second.
He's heavy. You seen him roll?
Yeah, you hooked up too? No, mine's out.
Oh, them head shakes are killing me.
All right, where you at? I'm gonna reel my shit in.
I'm gonna have to go all the way to the other side. I'm gonna walk him. You want a gaff?
I got a gaff. I got a gaff and a
I might better work.
Oh, he's not that big.
He's not that big. He looked bigger than what he was.
Gonna eat it. Pull that thing over there. You gotta keep him off that bulkhead there.
I'm low.
Said you might want to go.
I can't.
So you might have to get your feet wet.
I'm on your line.
Oh man.
Okay, I see.
What is that, 30 pounds?
Something like that.
Yeah, I know.
It's about to get nasty right here.
Bring him around.
It's about to get nasty.
Just walk it back. Don't worry about my line.
Alright. In the clear.
What do you want to do? You want to keep that?
I don't know. It's like,
Hold on. He ain't hooked very well.
I know. That's why I'm not putting that much force on him. He's not hooked well at all.
Let me get my line off of
Well. No, I'm holding your line. Hold on, don't move him yet, don't move him yet.
He's just on top
Oh,
of it.
okay. Well,
Go ahead, buddy. Go to fight another day.
he's a free man today.
A little out of blood, but he's all right.
He good.
He's fine.
As long as he don't swim right into your line. All right, to give you guys a little update of what's been going on, I'm going to get some drinks right now in the boat. Let me get in here before I do that. But as you guys just seen, we had a extremely long day out here. Only one redfish caught, one little flounder, and just seen catch that garfish. We stopped right here back at Marsh Island where we normally crab, and I knew you had big garfish here, but we can't seem to pick up any big ones. The ones we've been catching was around like, all the ones we're hooking up on are like maybe 2.5, 3 foot, which isn't gonna be enough to compete in the tournament that we're in, because the people weigh in 50, 60 pound garfish. So, but we're gonna give this probably another 30 minutes to an hour. If we catch a bigger garfish, catch a bigger garfish. If not, we're gonna head on home, and hopefully people catch smaller fish than the ones that we have to weigh in. So we're gonna get back with you guys if we catch another fish. If not, you'll be seeing the outro. Stay tuned. Leave me alone. Yeah, don't get nervous. You don't have the last 5. Hey, whenever I was changing the line out on this one though, I thought I didn't have that much because it didn't look like that much. I pulled off damn near 200 yards of line before I was empty.
That's not bad. On my that ambassador reel, that held a whole spool.
I'm gonna get my shit out of the way.
He's playing with it. Okay, I'm gonna make sure he's gonna pick it up again. About to set the hook.
Don't.
Oh my God. I'm gonna say his eyes the last one. He tried to spit that hook though. Why the big ones don't want to bite? This is stupid. You see him go ahead like air jaws. Same size. Same size. At least they're staying hooked.
But you saw he did that though. He ran,
Stopped and came on it.
ate
Yeah.
it, and then took off again.
Where's yours at?
Okay, left the fish down there. In the back.
Yeah.
Left this here.
I want to go, but I don't want to crush yours. I think I can go under it now, huh?
Yeah, now you can.
He's a jumper.
Let me know when you need some help.
Oh, he's smaller than the last one. He sure got some aerobatics to him though. Aerobatics, acrobatics. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Calm down is what he needs to do.
He's swallowing.
No, that leader's not that long. It's in his mouth, but
Yeah, good luck.
yeah. Stop that.
When you're done.
See if we can maneuver him on him. He gone. He just ain't there. As you can tell, it is at least the next day, but it is actually a few days after the tournament was over. I got really busy right after the tournament, so I wasn't able to shoot this this outro. So, but the main thing is we did not do well at all. We didn't even bring any fish to get weighed in, because by the time that we actually got to the weigh-in or attempted to go to the weigh-in, the board had already filled up with fish that were way bigger than what we had to even weigh in, so we didn't even waste our time weighing in any of the fish. I mean, the board was like high numbers this year for some reason. It usually isn't that high. I think like first place garfish was like 101 pounds, which is absolutely massive. And other than that, like I said, some big fish will weighed in, so we didn't do so well this year, but we had a blast. That's all it's really about. We did spend a little bit of money making attempts with the gas and the tickets to actually enter the tournament and such and bait and all that good stuff. But like I said, it's always fun to get out there with your buddies and have a fishing trip. And we didn't even really worry about the tournament while we was fishing. We knew in the back of our minds we were fishing a tournament, but we didn't really worry about it while we were fishing. We just enjoyed the moment and had a good time. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I hyped this tournament up really big. As my phone rings, I hyped this tournament up really big. We did well last year, but like I said, a lot of this rainwater is coming down from up north, and all this flooding water, which is making it really hard to fish and find fish down here. But that's enough excuses out of my mouth. I will be making a trip this next week. It's technically this week. This weekend I am leaving. I am going to spend a week in Gulf Shores, Alabama. I will be fishing on the pier every day, sun up, sundown. If you guys are in the area and you want to come say hi, don't be afraid to say hi. I'll be fishing on the pier. I'll probably be the only guy on the pier with a GoPro. So like I said, stop by, say hi. I'll just be fishing all day. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, stay tuned for another episode of Louisiana Outdoorsman.